Hi, it's Juliet from My City Plants. In this video, I will explain to you how to water plants potted and self-watering Lechuza planters. The Lechuza self-watering planter is unique in its design. The built-in sub-irrigation system creates perfect environment for your plant by providing drainage, delivering oxygen to the roots, and controlling water supply. Manufactured in Germany from the highest quality 100% recyclable plastic, these planters are lightweight. It can be easily moved around. The drainage system is well sealed, so you don't need any extra protection for your floors or furniture. Now I'm going to show you how to water your plants for the first 3 to 4 months before using the self-watering feature. We recommend waiting 3-4 months before using self-watering feature. This time frame is required for the roots to grow so they can easily reach water reservoir and start drinking water. Test the soil with your soil meter once every 10 days. When the soil moisture meter test result is in a specified zone for your plant type or below, water your plant through the soil with the recommended water amount. We provide a list of soil moisture levels and water amounts for each plant type. When watering your plant, pour water slowly and evenly around the plant and between its stems. Now that 3 to 4 months have passed, you can start using the self-watering feature of your planter. Continue testing the soil with the soil moisture meter. When the soil moisture meter test results in a specified zone for your plant type or below, pour water directly into the water reservoir. Pour water until the red stick inside the plastic tube reaches the maximum mark. Now you wait for your plant to use all the water from the reservoir. How fast a plant will drink the water depends on light, temperature, humidity, and airflow in your space. When the red stick inside the plastic tube is back down to the minimum mark, the reservoir is empty. Do not refill the reservoir right away. The soil needs time to dry out. Begin to test the soil with the soil moisture meter again, once every 2 weeks. When the soil moisture meter test results are in a specified zone for your plant type or below, just refill the reservoir to the maximum mark again. Continue this routine to help your plants grow and thrive. From all of us here at My City Plants, we wish you best of luck on your green journey. Grow something beautiful.